In this video, I want to introduce you to my own staking program from my own token, which allows you to earn truly passive income at 7% per year. If you're not familiar, I am the founder of SPRK token. Let's first explore what it is. The SPRK token is the first cryptocurrency designed to find creative projects, and the way it does that is that it lets donors to creative projects earn money back. For example, you can browse projects, and let's say you click on one. Here's my test project, my own poetry book, and I can raise the money in SPRK tokens, and then as the person raising money, I can redistribute some of my profits. If I make a profit from this book, I can redistribute it to my donors, making them investors, making them more likely to invest in my future projects. So that's the token. Now the token also has a staking option. That's under sprktoken.com/staking, and I'll have the link to this page in the resources of this video. Now, let me tell you a little bit about this staking program. It's a very generous staking program. It gives you 7%, but it's a 7% of a token that doesn't have inflation. There are no more tokens printed for these tokens. Other tokens can give you a far higher percentage return, although 7% is already good, but the other tokens that give you a higher percentage return often have a lot of inflation. But this 7% yield is generous because, one, the token is not as established as others, and I want to reward investors in this token. So the way this works is very simple. It actually explains all the steps here. There are only 3 simple steps. The first step is just to learn how it works. The first real step is to connect your wallet. For Solana-based tokens, a great wallet that I myself use is the Phantom wallet. You can just search download Phantom wallet. Think of your crypto wallet as your PayPal. You just download the wallet for whichever browser you're using. For example, right now, the example I'm showing is on Firefox, so you just get that extension for Firefox. I already have it downloaded. You'll always be able to reference it here, that little puzzle piece. There it is, Phantom, and you can open that extension, so you have it. Then once you have your wallet, you want to buy the SPRK token, and once you have SPRK token, you can stake your funds. Once you stake your funds, the funds begin, because you get this dashboard after you connect your wallet. For example, in my wallet that's connected, I have this many SPRK tokens. I have at the moment none staked with this wallet, and I have no rewards, obviously. But let me show you how it would work. Let's say I want to stake, let's say 10 tokens. Now, when you stake, there is a transaction fee that is not taken by me. It's taken by the Phantom wallet, but it's only like a penny or so. It's essentially nothing, but it's in Solana, because this is a Solana-based token. So you have to have the SPRK tokens you want to stake and a tiny bit of Solana in your Phantom wallet. So you just choose the number of tokens you want to stake, click stake tokens. It will give you a confirmation dialog to just make sure that you are doing that. Yes, confirm. And it's going to bring up the Phantom wallet dialog so you can log in. So you just enter your password, click unlock. Then it's going to tell you that it's going to take 10 SPRK. That's right, because that's what you entered in the form. And the network fee is going to be not even 0.1 sol. It's going to be 0.0008 sol. Way less than a penny. Click confirm. But you just have to make sure that you have that sol in your wallet. Otherwise, the transaction will fail. You won't lose any SPRK tokens, but you just need to have Solana to pay that transaction fee. In any case, click confirm. The page refreshes, and as you can see, you have a success message saying you've successfully staked 10 SPRK tokens. And most importantly, on your dashboard here, when you scroll just a little below, you'll see details like your wallet is connected. Mainnet is the main Solana blockchain. That's what you want. This is your available balance that you still have in your wallet that's not touched. This is the staked amount, 10 SPRK tokens, and this is already the rewards you're getting. So you see pending rewards. This is live. It updates every minute. If you don't want to wait for the update, just refresh the page and it's going to be bigger. See, now it's that many SPRK tokens. It tells you your annual percentage yield. Then as the next step, you can always stake more if you'd like. Of course, 10 SPRK is not very much, but if you plan on holding SPRK for any amount of time, even 1 day, staking is a good idea because you can get your money out immediately. Like in a bank CD, you might think you have to hold it there for a year or several months. Here, you can unstake all at any time. And when you click this button, all the rewards that you've accumulated go back into your available balance. No question asked. There's no paperwork here, nothing like that. With cryptocurrency, this process is incredibly more smooth. And another thing you can do is, let's say you staked a larger amount of SPRK and you're getting some rewards. Now, you're getting rewards on the staked amount, but you're not getting rewards on the pending amount, right? So the pending amount, you can claim your rewards. They will go back into your available balance. And from there, you can always stake more so that your staked amount gets bigger, and you always get 7% interest rate on the staked amount while, and here's the important part, while you're holding an asset that can appreciate. Compared to if you put your money into a bank CD, you would have to put dollars into a bank CD, and dollars always depreciate due to inflation at about 3 to 5% on the dollar, depending on how accurately you count. But here, instead of that, your asset might appreciate and you're getting 7%. So you might wonder, how often should I claim rewards and stake my reward in order to create a compounding effect? You can obviously do this every minute, but you would just drive yourself crazy doing that. So about once a week or once every 2 weeks or once a month is a reasonable amount of time to take your earnings and add them to your staking amount so you can have that compounding effect. Mathematically, it's not as good as if you take your rewards every minute, but it's reasonably close without driving yourself crazy. Then as you scroll down, there's a little calculator area where you can calculate rewards of how much you can earn. Let's say you want to stake 100,000 SPRK. Well, how much are you going to earn in how much time? This can help you calculate it. And then there's an area that explains how staking rewards work in case you're new to this. So that's essentially it. It's a very basic program, but it's an incredible financial tool that you just cannot get with the dollar. So I want to invite you into this. In order to begin, all you need is some SPRK tokens and a tiny bit of Solana. The way to get your SPRK token is to get Solana first, and then you can swap out of Solana into SPRK. You can get SPRK tokens by swapping them from the USDC stablecoin. So there are many options for getting the SPRK token. I have plenty of tutorials on this. And by the way, if you're confused on any step, you can click on the chat here. We are here. I choose to be the one who answers, if not all, then many of these messages, and I'll be able to help you with any confusion or question that you have. So there's also world-class support that comes with the staking. Because it's a financial product and it's very important for me that you feel safe, it's a priority for me to make myself available in case people have any questions or encounter any issues. You'll be able to count on support. So again, I want to encourage you to consider joining the SPRK staking program and enjoy the extra earnings.